If you've ever dreamt of making money in minutes, of snatching profits from the jaws of market volatility, then you're in the right place. But let me be clear right from the start, this isn't for the faint of heart. This is a high-speed game, demanding razor-sharp focus, lightning-fast decisions, and an iron will. We're talking about capitalizing on fleeting opportunities, sometimes lasting only a few seconds, making this a true test of discipline and precision. Scalping is all about capitalizing on tiny price movements, often within seconds or minutes. Imagine opening and closing multiple trades in a single hour, each one aiming for just a few pips or ticks of profit. These small gains accumulate rapidly, and that's the magic. We're not looking for massive market swings here. We're hunting for the quick, fleeting opportunities that other traders might miss. Think of it like a sniper, precise and swift, taking multiple small shots rather than waiting for one big kill. This strategy thrives in volatile markets, where prices are constantly fluctuating, providing the perfect playground for rapid-fire entries and exits. Unlike long-term investors who might hold positions for days or weeks, a scalper is in and out before most people even realize a trade has taken place. It's about high-frequency, low-reward entries that compound into significant results over time. So, how do you even begin to approach such a high-intensity strategy? It starts with the right tools and a solid understanding of market dynamics. You'll need a fast execution platform, reliable real-time data, and charts that update instantly. Think 1-minute or even tick charts. But beyond the tech, it's about mastering technical analysis, understanding support and resistance levels, recognizing candlestick patterns like dojis or hammers that signal potential reversals, and using indicators that can give you a quick edge. Common scalping indicators include fast-moving averages to identify immediate trend direction, volume profiles to spot areas of high interest, and often, just pure price action. The key is to identify very short-term trends and enter trades, with the expectation of exiting almost immediately as soon as a small profit is secured. Risk management is paramount. Because you're making so many trades, a strict stop-loss strategy is essential to prevent small losses from snowballing into significant setbacks. This means defining your maximum acceptable loss per trade before you even enter, and adhering to it rigidly. Now, while the allure of quick profits is undeniable, it's crucial to understand the challenges. Scalping is incredibly demanding, both mentally and emotionally. It requires constant attention, the ability to process information rapidly, and the discipline to stick to your plan even when the pressure is on. Emotions can be your worst enemy. Here, fear of missing out, also known as FOMO, or the urge to recover, a small loss can lead to impulsive decisions that derail your entire strategy. This isn't a strategy you jump into without practice. Many successful scalpers spend countless hours practicing on demo accounts, honing their reflexes and refining their entry and exit points. It's about building muscle memory for trading, making your reactions almost automatic in a fast-paced environment. Furthermore, understanding market microstructure like bid-ask spreads and order flow can give you a crucial edge, as these tiny details become magnified in high-frequency trading. Successful scalpers often focus on a few key elements: liquidity, volatility, and precision. You need liquid markets to ensure you can get in and out of trades quickly without significant slippage. Volatility provides the small price swings needed for profit opportunities, and precision in your entries and exits is non-negotiable. We'll explore strategies like using order books for level 2 analysis, identifying high probability setups, and the psychological fortitude required to manage rapid-fire decisions. Remember, while the potential for rapid gains is real, so is the risk. But for those who are disciplined, focused, and ready for a challenge, scalping can indeed unlock the secret to making money in minutes, transforming tiny market fluctuations into consistent income.